Hi, my name is Dr. Sheri Glazer, and I am here tonight to talk to you about my career as a dentist. As a dentist, you need to complete high school, you need to go to 4 years of college, and you need to apply to dental school. And then after dental school in some states, you need to do a 1-year residency. And then you can go into private practice, you can work for a corporation. There are many different opportunities that you could do as a dentist. I personally did 4 years of undergrad. I took a 1 year that I just worked, and then I did 4 years of dental school and a 1-year residency. And then I worked as an associate for 3 years. And then I bought my own practice and started from scratch for 13 years. And now I work for a group practice where I just see children, anyone under 18 years old. So that's how I got started, actually, as a dental assistant. And then I worked in the back in a lab. And that's how I started my career.
What level of education or credentials are needed to pursue this career?
So as a dentist, there's actually licensing boards that you need to take in order to become a dentist at each level. So in order to get into dental school, there's actually a DAT that's needed, which is a national exam. And you need to score fairly high to get into competitive dental schools. Then once you're in dental school, after 2 years, there's the Part 1 boards. And then after your 4 years, there's a Part 2 boards. Some of it's done on mannequins and some of it is done on actual live patients. In a residency, you're actually taking care of patients, sometimes in a hospital setting and sometimes in an institutional setting, such as at a university. You're also working alongside other doctors and doing rounds in other areas and other disciplines of medicine.
What education background or major is most helpful to pursue this career?
So you can actually major in anything you like. There are dentists that were music majors. There are dentists that were science majors. There are dentists that majored in history in undergrad. But I would recommend, if you're interested in anything creative, psychology, the arts, anything where you use your hands, 3D applications. Right now, the biggest industry pulse now in dentistry is 3D printing, using highly aesthetic materials with 3D printing. And also they just started in 2021 an AI task force, so an artificial intelligence task force. So we're going to be using more computer generated and computer activated materials to give to patients. As well as during this whole COVID pandemic, we're using teledentistry so that you're able to talk just like I am to you tonight. We're able to talk virtually with our patients to find out what their diagnosis is and sometimes to help them with discomfort rather than them coming to the office.
What specific skills are needed for this career?
So the specific skills you need to go into dentistry, and again, there's not only just the dentist, there are many other opportunities in a dental office. There's front desk, there's insurance information, there's dental assisting, there's dental hygienists. So there's many different career choices when you're talking about the career of dentistry. There's also specialists. So if you just want to do one specific thing, such as oral surgery, or if you just want to do root canals all day, those are specialties that go beyond the 4 years of dental school. If you're interested in dentistry, I would say take a lot of hands-on type of